Lentils, the inflammation fighter. High in fiber, iron, folate, and magnesium, all important for joint health. Contains polyphenols, powerful compounds that fight inflammation. How lentils help with arthritis. Reduces C-reactive protein, CRP, a marker of inflammation. Fiber improves gut health, which is linked to reduced autoimmune symptoms. Magnesium helps with muscle relaxation and reducing stiffness. How to add lentils to your diet. Make lentil soups or stews. Add to salads or curries. Use as a meat substitute in tacos or wraps. Try red lentils, they cook faster and are easier to digest. Chickpeas, the versatile superfood. Also called garbanzo beans. 1 cup provides about 15 grams of protein. Rich in fiber, calcium, iron, potassium, and vitamin B6. Arthritis benefits. Anti-inflammatory saponins and flavonoids reduce swelling and joint pain. High in calcium and magnesium, which support healthy bones. Improves gut microbiome, linked to lower autoimmune activity and arthritis. How to eat chickpeas. Make hummus as a dip or spread. Add roasted chickpeas to salads or soups. Use in curries, rice bowls, or wraps. Pro tip: soak dried chickpeas overnight before cooking to improve digestion. Quinoa, the complete protein. It's one of the few plant-based foods that's a complete protein. Contains all 9 essential amino acids. 1 cup of cooked quinoa gives around 8 grams of protein. Gluten-free, high in magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants. Benefits for arthritis. Reduces oxidative stress in joints, which causes pain and swelling. Magnesium helps with bone density and muscle relaxation. Zinc helps with tissue repair and immune balance. Ways to enjoy quinoa. Use as a base for grain bowls or salads. Mix into veggie patties or stuff in bell peppers. Cook like rice and serve as a side dish. Pro tip: rinse quinoa before cooking to remove its bitter coating, saponin. Chia seeds, small but mighty. Tiny seeds packed with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, fiber, and minerals. 2 tablespoons provide about 5 grams of protein and omega-3s, which reduce inflammation. How they help arthritis. Omega-3s lower joint stiffness and swelling. How to use chia seeds. Add to smoothies or oatmeal. Make chia pudding with almond milk. Sprinkle on salads or yogurt. Pro tip: soak chia seeds in water for 10 to 15 minutes to form a gel. This makes them easier to digest. Tofu, the healing protein block. Why tofu? Made from soybeans, which are high in protein and low in saturated fat. 1/2 cup contains about 10 grams of protein. Rich in isoflavones, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Arthritis benefits. Isoflavones reduce joint pain and protect against cartilage breakdown. Helps maintain muscle mass, which is important for joint support. How to eat tofu. Stir fry with vegetables. Grill or bake and add to bowls or sandwiches. Crumble as a topping or use in curries. Pro tip: press tofu before cooking to remove water for better texture and flavor. Bonus: other helpful plant foods for arthritis relief. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds. Great for omega-3s and anti-inflammatory fats. Dark leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collards. Full of calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants. Berries. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Rich in antioxidants that fight joint damage. Turmeric and ginger. Natural anti-inflammatory spices. Add to teas, smoothies, or meals daily for pain relief. What to avoid in your diet, especially if you have arthritis. Red and processed meats may increase inflammation. Sugary foods and beverages promote inflammation and weight gain. Refined carbs. White bread, Pastries and pasta may trigger flare-ups. Fried foods and trans fats. Bad for joints and overall health. Excess alcohol. Can worsen inflammation and pain.